My dear wonderful friends, there exists a power within you, a force so profound, so absolute that once you recognize it, your life will never be the same again. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their dreams effortlessly while others struggle for years? The answer is not luck. It is not circumstance. It is not effort. It is law, one that governs all creation. And the law is your imagination. You are not merely a participant in life, you are its architect. Every moment, whenever you realize it or not, you are creating. Your thoughts, your emotions, your inner dialogue, all of it is shaping the world around you. And yet, most people live as if they are powerless, reacting to life rather than commanding it. But what if I told you that in just 3 days, you could shift your reality completely? Not gradually, not eventually, but immediately. The 3-day creation process. For the next 72 hours, I invite you to an experiment. One that, if followed with conviction, will alter the course of your life. You will speak to yourself in a new way. You will think in a new way. You will embody a new state of being. And when you do, your world will have no choice but to conform to your new assumptions. Day 1. The bridge of imagination. In the beginning, there was the word, not a spoken word, but the silent words of your mind. The moment you awaken, you must commit to this new conversation. Do not ask, how will it happen? Instead, assume it already has. If you desire abundance, you do not wish for wealth, you experience the feeling of being wealthy now. If you seek love, you do not long for it, you live as one already adored. For imagination is not fantasy, it is reality in motion. Your subconscious mind does not distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. It only responds to the state you accept as true, and what you accept with feeling you must experience. Right now, in this very moment, who are you choosing to be? Day 2, the test of faith. By this day, the outer world may attempt to convince you that nothing has changed. This is the moment where many fail. Yeah. But I tell you now, it is only a test. Your old world, a reflection of past thoughts, is merely lingering. But if you persist in your new assumption, if you refuse to be influenced by appearances, then the unseen forces will begin to move. This is the moment where faith must be unwavering. You must remain steadfast, like a mountain unmoved by the winds of doubt. Hold steady, maintain your new inner dialogue. When doubt arises, revise immediately. Will you fall back into limitation, or will you trust the unseen? Day 3. The unfolding. This is when something remarkable happens. The state you have embodied, the identity you have accepted will begin to feel natural. You will no longer force it. It will simply be. And then, without effort, without struggle, the world will shift. An unexpected call, a sudden opportunity, a chance encounter. Life itself will bend to accommodate your assumption, and yet it will feel inevitable, as though it was always meant to happen, because it was. You have crossed the bridge. The law is unbreakable. At the end of these 3 days, a choice remains. Will you return to your former self, or will you claim your power? If ever you waver, remember this: nothing can exist in your world unless you have first accepted it in consciousness. Your imagination is not a place of ideal daydreaming. It is the factory where reality is made. And once you understand this, once you accept that what you feel as true must come to pass, you will no longer beg for change, you will assume it. So I ask you now, who are you? Not tomorrow, not in the future, but right now, in this very moment. Because whatever you claim as true in this instant must become your reality.